Weather report for the 12th, cold, wet and windy. So I just did a thing. Hey peeps, Merry Vlogmas Day 12. I did a thing. Yeah, I did a thing last night. I don't recommend anyone cut their own hair, but I have been looking at this Facebook profile picture that I've had up for the last couple of months, and it's been making me think, and I've been sitting there in the evenings kind of pushing my hair back and like trying to make myself a false fringe and seeing what I think. And yeah, last night I decided to go for it. So I really like it. The rest of my hair I think is now too long, and when I put this jumper on this morning, actually I had got my hair caught in it and then ended up with a bob that was longer at the front and then shorter at the back, and it looked really cool. So I might go and get the rest of it cut professionally because I wouldn't do the rest of it, but yeah, I've got a fringe. Anyway, let's go down to the main house and see if it survives the wind and the rain. That's one thing about fringes, is they look fabulous until they don't. And that's usually because of the weather, but we'll see. And then let's see what Mum and Dad think. Like it took Mum. Mum was like, "Oh, you look nice. Have you dyed your hair?" And she went, "Oh!" It took me a moment. It took a while. Dad just didn't comment. I don't know if he noticed or not. He just didn't comment.
I haven't got enough for a fringe anymore.
No.
But
don't grow it out and do a comb over. We don't need that either. Oh no.
No.
Thank you.
You've just insulted anyone with a comb over.
They really ought to wait
They
and
ought to
smell
know better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, I just want to say as well, we have all voted. We voted by postal vote about a week ago.
Yeah.
So we have all voted, because you won't see us leaving the house today.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to say that we have. I can't say to go and vote now, because when you see this, it will be over.
And I wanted to change it 3
funnily
times
enough, yes.
since.
Jane asked me, she said, "Oh, I've changed my mind. Can I have it back?" And I had 3 envelopes, and they're all the same.
Yeah.
So you'd never know which one you're opening.
No.
That would be spoiling a vote.
Yeah. No.
But if it's the wrong lot get in, it's your fault.
That's not fair.
Yeah. Actually, I'm hard pushed to say who's the right lot to get in. But anyway, let's not get into that.
No, that's as far as I'm going to go with politics talk. But
enough,
I did want to say that we voted.
Enough.
So let's do Dad
But I was
first.
brushing up on my French. But
I don't think they're doing much better. There you go, number 12 down the bottom there.
Thank you.
Let's hope it's not coffee or white today.
Oh no, it's lovely.
The dark chocolate.
Yes.
Way!
Yes.
Good start to the day, that's good.
Yep.
That's good.
This makes up for the rubbish weather we're having.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, it's empty.
You said this last time. It's got a filling in it.
What, not at all?
Air.
Oh. I won't buy him that calendar next year.
Okay.
He was so excited.
Hey, it wasn't even flavoured air.
What do you think? This is a Heston Blumenthal? There you go. Oh, thank you. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue. Blue!
Yay!
I hope you like it.
What
This is the
is
only
blue?
one. I can't remember now. Oh, it's cookies. Cookie Moon.
Apparently, I'm looking for a blue one. And what turns up?
Yeah.
A blue one. And
You're meant to say
happy Vlogmas.
close.
Hey!
Oh, right. Merry Vlogmas.
It worked. The blue one worked.
Yep. What's it?
Cookie Moon, it's called.
Cookie Moon.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're happy noises. I mean, they're all dark truffles. You're going to be happy with pretty much all of it, aren't you? Let's see what I've got today. Number 12. It's a long. Oh, it's a double decker. That's good. But again, I have just brushed my teeth, so I'm going to. It's actually called a dinky decker as well. I hadn't seen that on the last one. It says it on the front of the calendar. It says it right there. But yes, it's a dinky decker, so I'm going to have that a little bit later. So our lovely cleaner's here today, and she does the kitchen last, which means I either need to do some stuff and then get out of her way, or just do some other stuff this morning. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do. options. Was there any
I
post
thought
for
you'd
me this
finished all
morning?
your cutting out.
No, I've got loads left.
Oh. No, that was
post.
it.
Oh, okay. Because I've ordered a couple of things. I've ordered the press studs for Wilson's jacket, the new skin for Wilson's jacket, and some bias binding for my New Year's Eve dress that I'm hoping that I'm going to have time to make, that I probably won't.
Very good.
I also need to film some twirls for the video, so I could go and do that. That would be
Yes,
a useful, because she's doing mine as well.
You're early.
I am early. Yeah, why don't I go and do that? That's what I'm going to do. We're having fun and games with the press today, so we're going to install some double cap rivets on these straps, and then Dad wants it to close. So Mum was trying to retro engineer a top closing method, and I just suggested press studs, which then meant that I had to work out how to put the press studs in. So we watched a YouTube video and we got there, didn't we?
We did.
Yes.
Well, we haven't yet.
Well, no, but we have we've successfully installed one and successfully ruined another.
Yeah.
So,
but we've got an idea of what we're doing.
yeah, that's why everything's set out like this.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to, when I put everything away, I'm going to put the pieces that, the press pieces that go together with the pieces that they do in a bag, and then do the same for the other side in a bag, and then put all of that in a bag together. That's the plan. It's a thing of beauty. Someone was asking about the bag that Mum made for me. It's the Ultimate Carry-All bag by Quiltessa. The instructions are vague.
Vague, yes.
Vague.
And the videos.
Okay, so we'll leave that there.
Yes.
So this is not the bag to take on if you've never made bags before, but if you have made a few bags before, give it a try, because it is an awesome thing once it's done. Been outside in the rain, and yeah, forgot about the fun of frizzy fringes. This is going to be interesting. Then I have little alfalfa sprouts. I have filmed the twirls that I need to do for the lookbook, so I can fingers crossed get that finished and uploaded this evening. We shall see how long that takes though. And I am back down here. The cleaner's still here and she's doing the kitchen, so I'm going to work on the McCall's 7634 jumper that I've made, or that I've cut out. I am going to time myself and see how quickly I can get this done. I have already pressed all the things that need pressing so that I don't need to get up and go back and forth to the iron too often. But yeah, let's see how quickly I can get this done. Ready, set, go. Just realised I need to go and get some pins because I have used all of mine yesterday in pinning everything, and I'm going to have to steal some of Mum's. So I've paused the timer. I'll be back in a sec. Right. Resume. Battery died, so I paused again. I'm going to restart. And done. 42 minutes 46 seconds. I haven't obviously finished off any of the overlocking. I'm going to do that now, and then I also need to give this a really good press. But yeah, 42 minutes, that's not bad. I definitely need to make more of these because I think I'm really going to like how this turns out. So I'm going to finish off the threads and then I will show you what it looks like. It's so cute. It's so cute. I definitely could have made the neckband. I made it 2 inches smaller than the neckline that it went into. I could have made it 3 inches smaller and it might have sat down a little bit more than this one is. I really like it. It's looser than the Astoria's, which is nice. I could wear something underneath this. I could have left my roll neck on underneath this, but I haven't tucked that in today. But yeah, it's gorgeous, and I love this fabric so much, so thank you very much, Alex, for my birthday present. And I have made my first thing out of it. Don't know if you'll be able to see it from that far away. Let me get closer. So I have put on my roll neck and then put this jumper on over the top, and this is how I wanted to be able to wear this, with things underneath it, which is why I'm glad that there's room in here. Kind of wish I'd put a roll neck on, but again, then I probably wouldn't be wearing it like this. But what I think I might do is make myself an infinity scarf with some of this, because as you know, I have quite a lot of it left. And I think what I want to do with the other bit that I have left is make a bomber jacket, because I would like a zip up jacket. I've been really wanting zip up jackets for like the last sort of 6 months or so, to kind of, or zip up like a cardigan kind of thing. So yeah, I think I might do that. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this. And again, thank you very much, Alex, for such beautiful fabric.
One eternity later.
Sort of organised chaos in here. So got tops and penny ins and coats and sleeves and dresses and a bag, and that's the hat sew along that I didn't get to today. Good progress though. I thought I would get lots of you saying, I want to see your hair down, so here it is down. I did straighten it this morning, and I think I need to have a little bit more body in it with it down, because otherwise it just looked a bit like a bit of a helmet. But yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. I think I might go and get it bobbed, maybe, or maybe not. I don't know. It needs a trim at the very least. And then obviously go and see my hairdresser and get told off cutting my own fringe. Fingers crossed he thinks I've done it okay. Because when I went in last time, I was toying with the idea of getting him to do this, and he cut the front bits so that they were this sort of length, so they framed my face better. So I just basically found those bits again and cut those. And I kind of brought it all into the middle, knowing that the sides would be longer if I cut it all in the middle like that. So yeah, I think it's kind of worked out okay. I got away with it, but I do feel a little bit more comfortable with it up. So for now, stick it up in a top knot. As Big Bird mentioned, I look like Little Mai from the Moomins, and I have said that on multiple occasions, but I think now with the fringe I look even more like Little Mai. So yes. Anyway, it's been a really productive day. I completely forgot our cleaner was coming today, so I haven't got the sew-alongs done, which is annoying, but it's not the end of the world, because I have got everything that I wanted to get cut out done, except for the NCWs. The large NCW is going to be out of the tartan wool that a small girl type creature's coat's being made out of, so I obviously needed to wait and see how much of the wool was left so that I could get that done. There's actually a fairly decent amount left, so I'm kind of hoping there might be enough left for me to make, and now Nimue is going to tell me I'm saying this wrong, Schnittchen? She's going to teach me how to say that properly next May when she comes over for the retreat. But yes, to make the Schnittchen jacket, because I think in that wool with green ribbing and maybe some green leather trim, I think that would be stunning. I don't know if there's going to be enough left to do that though, given that I would need to fussy cut because of the tartan. But I'm hoping there might be, and I'm hoping Ree would be okay with that. We shall see. Might have to buy it off of her. And then the other two NCWs, I haven't got those cut out, and I still haven't heard from Del. Claire mentioned that I maybe should send Del like a postcard, but I'm going to send out my Christmas cards. Del is obviously on that list for all my Patreon peeps, so I shall mention to her in that card, like, let me know what you want, and fingers crossed it turns up, and she does. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with what I've got done so far. The t-shirt sew along and the hat sew along are not going to be lengthy projects at all. Both of those are going to be fairly quick, so I'm not too stressed about the fact that I haven't got those cut out. And the Carolyn pyjamas, well, they were kind of a bit of a pipe dream. That's not really going to happen, so yeah. And I'm really pleased that I've got this sewn up. I really like how this has turned out. I can see myself making more of these. I have lots of other, I have like the Megan New Sanjara sweatshirt pattern. I have the two Schnittchen patterns that Dilek sent me for Christmas last year that I want to try. And one of, I think In fact, I think both of those would be good for colour blocking, because Alex was saying, you know, to like just add seam lines and colour block this, and I totally agree with you, Alex. That's what I was going to do with the Tofino trousers, was use this as the side panel, but I just didn't have the right black ponties. I'm going to wait, but in the new year I'm going to order myself a whole bunch of ponty from the fabric room. That's where I got the teal one from. Theirs is an amazing deal. I think it's like £4 a metre or something. That's not including tax, so you do have to add VAT on top of that. I am going to order myself a whole bunch of those because I want to make the Mimi G dress, and I need some more turquoise, because that's what the turquoise was intended for me. That's the only thing about the fabric room, is you have to order a minimum of 3 meters, but I'm going to order 4 more meters of the turquoise, and I already have the tan and the cream for the Mimi G dress, so I'm going to get that done. And then I want to probably make some more bottoms, because I really like those teal ones, and I'm thinking I could probably wear this with the teal bottoms, because there's some blue in here. But yeah, I think some like solid coloured bottoms and then loud tops would probably be a little bit more sensible than a whole like ensemble all in this. And given that 3 meters of this is not enough to do that outfit, because this is narrower, just means that I will have to be more creative. Anyway, I came on to say goodnight to you guys, and I have gone off on a tangent yet again. Oh gosh, there was somebody else who mentioned something as well. Oh, the merch, the water bottles and stationery and things like that. I will look into it. I will look into it tonight. I will do that. And I think Printful had a water bottle. I think they did. I will look into it. Thank you for poking me and reminding me. I'm sorry I can't remember who it was that did it, but thank you for doing it. Anyway, yeah, that's 6 minutes of waffle. So I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you all tomorrow for my travel up to London day, which is so exciting. I cannot wait to see Wilson. It has been over 2.5 weeks and I miss him. I miss him a lot, and he misses me too, so he's been sending me lots of lovely messages. So yeah, anyway, I was supposed to be saying goodbye, wasn't I? So yes, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.